how to make spoiler text in Discord mobile. Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to guide you how you can do it, so let's just get started. First of all you gotta do is head over to the Discord app or discord.com and log in into your account. And once you are logged in, you can head over to one of your servers. So for example, I am on this server right here. So you can head over to one of the channels first from your server. For example, this right here, and right now you can see I already created one spoiler text. When you go ahead and tap on it, you can find it being opened. So in order to do the same, all you gotta do is from this section right here, we have this option of message. You're gonna go ahead and type in a message. So before typing in a message, you're gonna type in some symbols. So head over the symbol section and you need to locate up this icon, this option right here, which is line. So choose straight lines, type it. After that, hit space, and you're gonna type in whatever you want in your spoiler text. So for example, I would like to type spoiler, and once typed, you need to hit a space again, and you're gonna type in the two lines again, like this. So do this, you need to type in two lines in the front and after as well. After that, hit send like this. So just go ahead and hit send, and when you do, you should be finding the spoiler text. You can just go ahead and tap on it and your spoiler text appears. So this is it. You may also follow the same process. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.